Hello class, in this series of videos we're going to look at some Photoshop tricks to really make non-photo real rendering. My opinion is that renderings are interesting to a certain level and sometimes they're appropriate, but at the same time you'll also let the computer drive the rendering. So I'm going to show you some tricks. There are going to be some using 3D tools, some using Photoshop basic tools and how to take a rendering and then make it into something that is yours. It makes it tell the story that you want to tell and make it so you control the drawing. And I think there's lots of ways that this could go from realistic to almost realistic but not quite to completely sketchy looking, just by using Photoshop, and you can have some interesting results. So I hope that sort of everyone out there plays with these, and really this is your time to come up with a drawing that is sort of uniquely yours. Now I've sort of started here. I have a 3D model pulled into Photoshop. I sort of set up a different view. I have the background set in there, and I've already played with my materials and everything else. We've done that by looking at 3D Photoshop in other videos. If you don't know how to do that, go look at those other videos and sort of get this set up. This also works. You don't have to do it in 3D Photoshop. You can pull the steps I'm going to have in the first part of this video series. You could do from most rendering softwares, 3D modeling software. Certainly you can do it from SketchUp, as long as it has the settings to be able to do it. Most softwares have most of these settings, but not all of them. What you'll notice that I'm going to be doing, and I'll do it step by step in follow-up videos, what I really want to do is I want to have ultimate control of this drawing. I want to pull the elements apart. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rendering that you have of my building, and I'm just going to take it with just the building materials, no shadows or anything. And then I'm going to take just the shadows but no materials. And then you can even do lines by itself, and I'll show you how to do lines. And then once I have those all rendered and saved as different layers in Photoshop, I can apply different things. I mean, the options are limitless. I'll just give you guys a heads up of where you're going and how to control it. But once they're separated in layers, you can have ultimate control off of these and do with the rendering however you want. So this is sort of my intro video, and sort of getting set up, some explanations. But in the next set of videos, I'll really start to go through step by step how do I pull this apart to get the various elements to gain control of my drawing. So there you go. Get your drawing set up everything that you need to do to start a good drawing, and then we'll pick up in the next video.